transferring money from your Scotia credit card to your bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer money from your Scotia bank credit card to your bank account. Well, today I'm going to clear all of your doubts. So first things first, a lot of people think that the credit card contains the money and credit card is actually have some money inside it, or however they think. Well, actually this thing is not true. Credit card is actually connected to a bank account which have some money into it. So you are using the credit card as a source of medium to transfer money from your bank account to wherever you want to spend. So if you want to put your credit card money into any other bank account, you just have to log into your credit card's bank account and then simply make a transaction. That's how you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to show you how exactly you will be able to do it from Scotiabank. So for that, you have to open up your app and then simply tap on transfers. And in the transfers, you just have to tap on transfers between account. If you are transferring it into your Scotiabank, if not, then you have to tap on transfer to others. Now here, you just have to select from which account you want to transfer. Here you have to select the one that has the credit card. Now after selecting that, you have to select in which account you want to get money. You just have to do that. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount you want to, transfer. And afterwards, you just simply have to slide this to make a transaction. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.